From WTVM Storm Team 9, home of the exclusive, always live News Leader 9 Mobile Alert Center, sponsored by Headquarter Nissan. Here is meteorologist Derek Kincaid.
Let's get to the bottom line tonight when it comes to our severe weather threat. The number one concern is going to be for damaging wind gusts as these storms move in. Anywhere from 60 to 75 miles per hour, we think, in pockets along the line. Now, the threat of tornadoes is low, but it's not completely zero, so a spin-up tornado is possible. But I will tell you this, the threat of winds from a small spin-up tornado versus straight-line wind damage, it might be about the same. It could cause the same kind of damage, so you take both of these threats seriously tonight. As far as the timeline, we think maybe 8 p.m. to midnight. That's when the worst of the weather moves through, but really the worst of the weather isn't going to last long at any given point. Once that line clears you, the severe weather threat is going to be over. So tonight, take severe thunderstorm warnings seriously, especially if you live maybe in a place that's got a bunch of tall trees around it or something like that. You may want to treat that almost like a tornado warning, being in that smaller interior room. And make sure you've got your WTVM weather app downloaded and charge those devices up. We could lose power tonight in some of these storms. Right now, we believe the highest concern as that line initially pushes into East Alabama, perhaps spreading across the Chattahoochee River. This is where the winds will likely be the strongest, or at least have the potential to be the strongest. As that line starts to move out of the area, there's still going to be a threat. We can't rule out damaging wind gust or an isolated tornado, but I do think the storms here may be a little bit weaker in places like Cuthbert, Americus, Ellaville, and Butler versus some other communities in the Chattahoochee Valley. So let's look at what's going on right now. We've got storms across our northern counties, raining in Dadeville, back over to Lafayette, Lynette Valley, and West Point, LaGrange, Greenville. Showers and storms in progress. Nothing severe right now, but these storms are having an impact on outdoor plans or the afternoon commute in those counties. There is a little bit of a drift down to the south with those storms. So we're going to watch Lee County, we're going to watch Harris County. Storms get into the northern sections there of those counties fairly soon. Here's the main concern for us out here to the west of us. Right now, crossing the Alabama-Mississippi state line, you see severe thunderstorm warnings out ahead of that. Prolific lightning with these storms. There's about 1,000 lightning strikes in that storm right there north of Meridian. Just a little research on that before the show. So that's crossing I-20 here pretty soon in West Alabama. That's the line that we're going to be tracking into our neck of the woods. And once this moves through, the severe weather threat is going to be over. That's the good news. So let's talk about it with our futurecast. And we're going to stop things here for you and take you hour by hour through tonight. So this is 7 p.m. You see the storm still in our northern counties. By 8 o'clock, the line approaches our East Alabama communities. Then by 9 p.m., you can see it picking up some speed. The forward speed on these storms tonight is going to be very fast. They'll be moving through LaGrange, moving through Auburn, Opelika, parts of Macon and Bullitt counties down in East Alabama. By 10 o'clock, you see it making that progress, then weakening a bit as it starts to exit the Chattahoochee Valley. Then some lingering showers behind it, but no more of a severe weather threat into the overnight. Now for your Wednesday, this will be a day that will have a chance at rain, maybe a few more storms, but nothing on the severe side. And there's plenty of warm, moist air to fuel those showers and storms. How about these temperatures right now? Very summer-like, and those humidity values also very summer-like, with heat index values right now in the mid and upper 90s across the Chattahoochee Valley. So an alert center action day tonight. After midnight, the threat is over or ending. Much better weather later on this week. Thursday, Friday looking cooler. Lows back in the 40s and 50s Friday and Saturday morning. And how about your Mother's Day? 85, some sun and clouds. Great day for mom out there on Sunday, guys.
Yeah, but very active start to the week, but gonna calm down.
It is going to calm down, and that's going to last all the way into that weekend too, which is good news.
All right, very good news. All right, Derek, thank you very much.